Addition of positive with positive. Addition of positive with negative. Now we will see the third combination. Okay. What is the third combination? Addition of negative with the positive. Can you see something common in all these three? It's nothing but the numbers. Numbers are common. Here 3, here 2. But only because of change in signs, the values are different here. That is the sum, it is different here. Right? Now here minus 3 plus 2. Okay? Minus 3 plus 2. So minus. Minus means marble. Right? How many? 3. 1, 2, 3. I will take 3 marbles here. Next, what you have to add? Plus 2. Plus means shell. How many? 2. 1, 2. So I have dropped 2 shells and 3 marbles. Now what is the third step you have to do? You have to check the pair of positive and negative. Right? Pair. That is 1 shell, 1 marble. The value of this is 0. So I am dropping back on this. Now value of 1 shell and 1 marble. What has happened? The value becomes 0. I am dropping back on this. Now what is left over? Left over is nothing but only marble. So what is the sign for the marble? Negative. What is the sign for the marble? Negative. How many marbles are left over? Only 1 marble. Right? So the value of the sum of this is nothing but minus 1. So what is the value of minus 3 plus 2? Is nothing but minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2. The sum will be minus 1. Is it clear, children, up to this? Yes. Now we are going to see the last combination. What is the last combination? Minus addition of negative integer with the negative integer. Again I took the same numbers. That is 3 and 2. Here minus, here minus. Okay. Now here minus 3. Minus is nothing but only marbles. How many marbles? 1, 2, 3. I took 3 marbles. Next again minus 2. So how many marbles I have to take? 2 marbles. 1, 2. So what is there in this? Do you have any shells here? No, because you have only positive sign. So you have only negative sign here. So we didn't take any shells. We have taken only marbles. So how many marbles are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you have marbles, what is the sign for this? Negative. That is minus. How many? 5. So what is the value of that? Minus 3 plus minus 2 is nothing but minus 5. It's nothing but minus 5. Is it clear, children? How to do with the activity? You can also try. Okay. Now we will see few examples. Now I want you to answer. Okay. We will go slowly. We will see all the combinations. Are you ready? Yes. We will see the first combination again. But here I have chosen marbles and shells. But if you don't have marbles, if you don't have shells, how you can do? You can do with a simple paper and pen. I will show you how you can do this. Okay. Now here, first one is first addition of positive integer with the positive integer. Here, as I have taken white shell for the positive integer, here I have taken unshaded circle as a positive integer, unshaded circle as a positive integer, and shaded circle as a negative integer. Okay, unshaded circle as a positive integer, shaded circle as a negative integer. Now here I will select one example. Okay, that's nothing but plus 3 plus 2. This already we have seen. Plus 3 plus 2. That's nothing but here plus 3. Plus means unshaded circle, I said. Plus means unshaded circle. How many? 3. How many? 3. So 1, 2, 3. Next, plus 2. So plus is nothing but unshaded, how many? 2. So total, how many here? Only unshaded circle have. You have to combine. If you combine, what you will get? 5 unshaded circles. So plus 3 plus 2 is nothing but plus 5. So what is the value of this? Plus 3 plus 2 is nothing but plus 5. This you can use a paper and pen. Just you can draw the unshaded circle or you can draw shaded circle. That's it, right? Now we will see the next combination. So what is the next combination? I said addition of positive integer with the negative integer. Addition of positive integer with the negative integer. Here, as I said, addition of positive integer with the negative integer. Here I have taken the other example. Okay, other than 3 and 2, I have taken here plus 6 plus minus 2. Plus 6 plus minus 2. So what is plus 6 here? What is plus 6? Here plus indicates unshaded circles. How many unshaded circles? How many unshaded circles? 6 unshaded circles. Minus indicates 2, right? How many? Here minus indicates 2 shaded circles. Plus indicates unshaded. So plus unshaded, how many? 6. Minus shaded, how many? 2. Okay. Now you have to pair it up. 1 shaded, 1 unshaded. So what is the value of that? It's nothing but 0. 1 shaded, 1 unshaded. What's the value of that? It's nothing but 0. Okay. Now these two values, they became 0. Now what is left over here? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. What it is left over? 4 unshaded circles. 4 unshaded circles. So what is the value of this? Unshaded means plus. How many? 4. So here plus 6 plus minus 2 equals to plus 4. Okay? Understood, children? Plus 6 plus minus 2 equals to plus 4. Now, again, we will see the next one. What is the next combination? What is the next combination? Next combination is addition of negative integer with the positive integer. Here I have taken the example, that is minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7. Here minus is shaded. Minus is shaded. How many? 7. Now here plus is unshaded. How many? 3. Now I have to, what is the third step? You have to pair it up. Here I pair these two, it will be 0. I pair these two, the value of this will become 0. I pair this two, the value of this will become 0. Now what is left over here? 4 shaded circles. 4 shaded circles. Shaded means the sign will be negative. How many? 4. So what is the value? Minus 7 plus 3 equals to minus 4. Understood, children? Now what is the next one? Next combination is addition of negative integer with the negative integer. Addition of negative integer with the negative integer. So what example I have taken here? Minus 6 plus minus 3. Minus 6 plus minus 3. Here minus 6. Here minus means shaded circles. How many shaded circles? Now minus 3 is minus means shaded. How many? 3. 3 shaded circles. Now what will happen? You have to put together. If you put together all the shaded circles, what will be there? 9 shaded circles. Shaded means minus. How many? 9. So total it is 9 shaded circles. All of you understood, children? Now I will give one assignment. Okay, that is the activity. You have to use paper, pen, and you have to tell me what is the answer for that. Okay, we'll go to the next slide. So here In the next slide, I have given so many combination of problems. So all the 4 combinations it is covering this. So what are the 4 combinations? First one will be this. You have to take your paper and you have to use your pen or pencil or color pencil, anything. Okay. Here plus 8, first problem is plus 8 plus 2 and plus 8 plus minus 2. Now third one is, here also I have used the same numbers but the signs are different. Minus 8 plus 2. Now minus 8 plus minus 2. This you have to solve with the paper, pen and you have to tell me. I'll give only 5 minutes. Okay, you be ready with it. You be ready with it. Okay, I'll ask you afterwards. Now, so this all you have understood, children? So what all we have learnt up to now? We have learnt what are natural numbers, whole numbers. What are natural numbers? Yes, it's nothing but the combination of all numbers, that is counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. What are whole numbers? The natural numbers which starts with 0 are called whole numbers. What are integers? Can you please tell me what are integers? Yes, it's a collection of 0, positive numbers and the negative numbers. These are called the integers. So what are the 2 types of positive integers you have? Yes, positive integers and negative integers. Okay, positive integers will be on which side of 0? Right side or left side? Yes, right side. Negative integers? Yeah, it will be left side. Very good. Now, what are the other things we have learnt? We have learnt the 4 combinations in the case of addition of integers. What are the 4 combinations? Can you please tell me one by one? Yes, addition of positive integer with the positive integer. Very good. Next one, addition of negative integer with the positive integer. Very good. Yes, next one, addition of positive with the negative integer. What is the last one? Yeah, addition of negative integer with the negative integer. So for this you need paper, pen or some objects to do this activity. Yes. So up to this you have understood, children. Now always if you want to do something, always you will feel like you need some shortcut methods, right? Sometimes we will be lazy. We will use only our brain. Some people, they will think, yo, who will do all these activities? Let me think and do. Okay? Yes, there is a possibility for that also. Yes, you can use your brain. No paper, no pen, everything you throw it off. Just use your brain. How you will use your brain? Yes, now I will teach you the shortcut method. Okay, for this. Do you want shortcut method? Yes, I know all of you are ready because sometimes we will be lazy. Not every time, but sometimes we will be lazy. Right? Yes, I will teach you this shortcut method through a song. Okay? Now we will see what is the song. We will hear that. Okay? Yes? So, the song you have to hear. So, what you have to do? Yes. Yes, children. Now, this is the song. Okay? Yes. So, yes.
Here are your rules for adding integers. If both signs are positive, add them up. If both signs are positive, add them up. If both signs are positive, then the sum is positive. If both signs are positive, add them up. If both signs are negative, add them up. If both signs are negative, add them up. If both signs are negative, then the sum is negative. If both signs are negative, add them up. Here are your rules for adding integers.
Yes, children. Did you hear the song? Again, one more time. Okay? So
If
here
both
one.
sides are positive, add them up. If both sides are positive, add them up. If both sides are positive, then the sum is positive. If both sides are positive, add them up.
Yes. Now here, what is the song, children? If the signs are positive, add them up. Yes? If the signs are positive, add them up. That means here, if both the signs are positive, you have to add. Okay? This you keep it in the mind. If the signs are positive, add them up. If the signs are positive, add them up. If both the signs are positive, then the sum is positive. If the signs are positive, add them up. That means if both the signs are positive, you have to add. So what will be the sign of the sum? Sum means the answer which you will get after addition. It will also be positive. Okay? So did you get the meaning of the first stanza? That is, if the signs are positive, add them up. If the signs are positive, add them up. If the signs are positive, then the sum is positive. If both signs are positive, add them up. Did you get it, children? Up to this. Now we will go to the next stanza. Okay? This is the first one. Both the signs are positive, you have to add. Next, the sign of the sum also it will be positive. So no pebbles, no marbles, nothing. Just signs are positive, plus 3, plus 2, so plus 5. That's it. Just you have to add. Next. Shall we see the next stanza?
If both sides are negative, add them up. If both sides are negative, add them up. If both sides are negative, then the sum is negative. If both sides are negative, add them up.
Yes. Okay. Did you hear the song? Yes. This second stanza is, if both signs are negative, add them up. If both signs are negative, add them up. If both signs are negative, then the sum is negative. If both signs are negative, add them up. That means, I will show you this example. If both the signs are negative, that is minus 3, minus 2. Here also you have to add. What is 3 plus 2? 5. Yes. What is the sign of the sum? That is also negative. Okay. So just you have to think mentally, that is minus minus. That means you have to add. So what is the sign of the sum? That will also be negative. Okay. So here we will repeat the first two stanzas. Okay. If both signs are positive, add them up. If both signs are positive, add them up. If both signs are positive, then the sum is positive. If both signs are positive, add them up. Both the signs are positive, adding. What is the sign of sum? It will also be positive. Okay. Second stanza. If both signs are negative, add them up. If both signs are negative, add them up. If both signs are negative, then the sum is negative. If both signs are negative, add them up. Okay. So here, if both the signs are negative, then also you have to add. What is the sign of the sum? It will be negative. Okay. Now, we will see the next stanza. Okay. So these two stanzas you have understood. Right? Now,
The signs are different, you must subtract. If the signs are different, you must subtract. You look at the greater value, the sum will be that sign. If the signs are different, you must subtract.
yes. Now, what is the meaning of the third stanza? So, this too comes under third stanza. What is this? If the signs are different, you must subtract. Okay? If both the signs are different, that is, you can see this example, minus 3 plus 2. Here minus, here plus. So, both the signs are different. So, you must subtract. Okay? Here also, plus 3 minus 2. Here also both the signs were different. If both the signs are different, that is one is positive, one is negative, that means you should subtract always. But what will be the sign of the sum? The sign of the sum will be the sign of the greatest number. What is the greatest number here? 3 or 2? Yes, it is 3. So what is the sign of the sum? Sign of the sum will be plus. Okay. Now here you can see minus 3 plus 2. So what is the sum of the sign of the greatest number? Minus. So here the sign will be minus itself. Okay. If the signs are different, then you should subtract. Then the sign of the sum will be the sign of the greater value. The sign of the greater value. Did you understand the shortcut method, children? So if the signs are same, then you should add. If the signs are different, then you should subtract. If the signs are same, if the signs are positive, then the sum will be positive. If the signs are negative, then the sum will be negative. But if the signs are different, what will happen? The sum will be holding the sign of the greater value. So greater value is having which sign? That sign you will get it. Shall we see some examples, children? Yes, children. Now no paper, no pen, no pebbles, no marbles, no shells, nothing. No shells. Now what you have? Only your mind. So use your brain, mental maths you have to do. Okay? So if you want, you can close your eyes or you can open your eyes, but you have to think mentally. Fine? It will take like, it will go like this. Yes, first problem. Okay? First problem is plus 18 plus 12. So here both the signs are positive. So what you have to do? Add, right? So 18 plus 12, 30. What is the sign of the sum? It will be positive itself. Now what is the second one? Minus 20, minus 12. Yes, both are negative. So if both the signs are negative, then also you should add. So what is 20 plus 12? 32. What is the sign of this 32? Minus itself. Okay. Now what is the third one? Plus, minus. Both the signs are different. Both the signs are different. So if both the signs are different, you must subtract. Right? So what is 15 minus 11? 4. But what will be the sign of the 4? It holds the sign of the greater value. What is the greater value? 15 or 11? Yeah, 15. What is the sign of 15? Plus. So here it will be plus 4. Now see the last one, that is minus 22 plus 12. So here also both the